Have you ever wondered why reliable HVAC services are so important? It's about more than just comfort. It's about safety, energy efficiency, and the well-being of our communities. One company that understands this better than most is Louisville HVAC Company. Founded on the principles of reliability, expertise, and customer-centric service, Louisville HVAC Company has become a cornerstone of the Louisville community. And today we have some exciting news to share. In an effort to broaden its service horizon and reinforce its commitment to providing top-tier HVAC services, Louisville HVAC Company is expanding into southern Indiana. This strategic extension includes key areas such as Jeffersonville, New Albany, Clarksville, and their neighboring towns. It's a pivotal step in the company's mission to ensure efficient, reliable heating, ventilation, and air conditioning solutions are accessible to more households and businesses. But this expansion is about more than just business growth. According to Jack Hansen, the owner of Louisville HVAC Company, it's a reflection of their belief in serving and enhancing the communities they operate in. For over 2 decades, they've dedicated themselves to providing exceptional HVAC services. Now they're extending that commitment to southern Indiana. This move comes after a marked increase in demand for dependable HVAC services in the region and Louisville HVAC Company's consistent growth and high customer satisfaction ratings. By leveraging their vast experience and expertise, they're prepared to meet the unique climate control needs of southern Indiana, improving the quality of life for its residents and the operational efficiency of local businesses. Not only will this expansion have a positive economic impact on the southern Indiana region, creating job opportunities and fostering local talent, it's also an investment in the future of HVAC technology and sustainability. With a focus on energy-efficient solutions and innovative climate control technologies, Louisville HVAC Company is leading the way in promoting environmentally friendly practices within the industry. Over the years, Louisville HVAC Company has built a reputation for excellence, innovation, and unwavering customer support. From routine maintenance checks to emergency repairs and state-of-the-art installations, their team ensures that every service call is handled with utmost professionalism and expertise. As they expand into southern Indiana, they bring with them a legacy of innovation, having introduced several industry-first services and technologies that have set new standards in HVAC efficiency and reliability. Here's to the future of HVAC services and to a company that's paving the way.